Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So in this video we are once again going to run the binary option robot Alpha 1 iBot on a small account. We started with $100 and we have now passed $400. So it's going amazingly. You can run this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel. There you get signals every single day. So if you are interested about that, link below the video for that also. But now let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we have it, once again on the small account with Alpha 1 iBot, a winning trade. Our balance is now soon at $500. Now start to be fun. When it passes 1,000, then the good money will start to come in. So you see, you have seen me now grow the account from $100 almost $500. So it's working. So with that, have an amazing day.